What are you doing?
What do you mean?
What I'm saying is that milk is enough to make you fat. And I cannot be going out with a fat, pot-bellied husband.
What is going on here?
Ma.
Yes, please.
Look at what Abiola called food. And because I cannot eat this, I decided to make tea, and she's complaining that I'm using too much milk.
Yeah. So what do you want?
Okay. Right now, I have appetite for amala or something.
What? Are you serious about that, or you're just joking? Why don't you want pounded yam? So you want this diva, this beautiful girl of mine, turning amala at this time of the day? What is wrong with the food that she gave you? What is wrong with it? This is a full meal that is enough to take you for a whole day. And now you want my sexy, beautiful girl to start turning amala. Why don't you ask for pounded yam? Hey, I know your reason, so I know the reason why you want to turn out to one mama in the house, so that you can be going after those girls on mini skirts, exposed chest, isn't it? Could it work? That can't work for me. She's my girl. You will now abandon my daughter. It cannot work.
Yes, mommy, it will not work. And even if he wants to eat amala, he can order for it, and in 5 minutes it will be here, and you'll be fine.
Beautiful idea. So that's another option. If you order for it, right now they will bring him its begiri, ewedu, egusi, whatever you want to take with it. Yes, you can do that right now. I see wickedness in your eyes. Yes. But I thought you said you love her.
I do.
You must be wicked. Yes. I am looking at it in your eyes. You must be wicked. Do you want this beautiful thing to start turning amala at this time? What is wrong with this meal? This is a full meal. You should be okay with this. When are they starting the Borokini, the telenovela?
2 minutes.
In 2 minutes.
Yes,
Borokini in 2 minutes.
Yes, mommy.
In 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Thank you, honey. Achilles. I love him anytime.
Yeah, I know.
I love him.
I know.
Yeah.
I'll be leaving for the Ekiti I talked about.
Oh, safe trip, darling.
Okay, baby. Have a safe journey. I love you. Yes, mommy.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Is that boy going to die?
I think so.
That boy must not die.
This is the 12th time.
That what?
This is the 12th time this has happened. And I don't think it's ending anytime soon. We can't continue this way. You know? We need to tell her.
It's been 3 years. 3 good years. It will hurt her.
See, I need you to understand. It's been 3 years. 3 good years. And I love her.
What about me? If you truly care, end the relationship with her and come back to me.
That's what I'm saying. The choice is a difficult one to make.
The time is up. You must choose now, or else don't expect me back into your bed.
So, let me meet you.
If I don't deserve anything, I deserve to know the truth. I want to hear nothing but the truth. Good. How long has this been going on? All along, my life with you was just emptiness. I was holding on to nothing.
Ọpẹ́ kí mo ti sùn jeluku gerenjeluku mulele ami.
Hi.
Yeah, please, can I take a minute of your time?
For what?
My laptop is not responding, so I thought I'd ask if you could please help me.
Do I look like an engineer? Well, if you can't see that I am busy, I'll advise you to find help somewhere else.
Excuse me. Please, I'm having a problem with the connection. My phone is not connecting to the public Wi-Fi.
Look, young woman, it is not difficult to deduce that you are here to have fun. But I, on the other side, I'm here for serious business.
What do you mean? That I don't look like a serious person?
If you say so. Look, could you please excuse me and stay out of my business? Joseph.
Alpha, have you gotten to the resort yet?
Yes, I have. And I just got an information from the ministry.
Is it a good one?
Not really.
Wow, how bad?
Actually, not that bad. There will be a dinner at the end of the meeting, and I have to attend with a female partner.
That's not bad though. Just pick one of your girlfriends now and fill the space.
Girlfriends? Where do I get that? I don't even have a girlfriend.
You, bro. Not even one.
Joseph, it's not funny. It's not funny.
I'm sorry. It's just unbelievable. Anyway, I hear that there are many beautiful girls around that town. Just find one and take her now.
What are you talking about? Is it that easy to find serious women? You know what? I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Bye. I don't even know why I called him. Excuse me. I apologize for the way I spoke to you the other time.
Okay.
And I think it will be fine if we keep each other company.
No, I'll be fine. Besides, I am not in your class. I'll only be a distraction.
Oh, please. Do not mind the way I spoke to you. I wasn't in the right frame of mind.
Okay.
My name is Ray.
Ray, as in ray of sun?
No, Raymond.
Okay. Nice name, Raymond.
Thank you.
Are you British?
No. Do I look British?
Your name sounds British.
Well, no. I actually need your help.
My help? So soon?
I was just informed that the business meeting I have to attend this evening has been turned into a dinner, and I should go with a female partner.
So what's the problem? You can just call the office and ask somebody, a female partner, to come. Besides, or you might just call your girlfriend or your wife to join you.
Well, I'm not married and I don't have a girlfriend.
So
apparently, there's no one to go with.
okay, so
I don't know if you could go with me. You're not going to say anything. Just sit and watch. Just an hour.
So it's because you need my help. That's why you came out of your arrogance.
No. Oh, okay. I'll pay.
To hell with your money. Listen, Mr. Serious Man, yeah? You once told me to stay out of your business. I'll appreciate it if you do the same to me, yeah? I don't need your money and I don't need your company. I'll do it.
You said what?
I'll do it.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
But under one condition.
Thank you for granting this meeting. My name is Raymond Fabusoro, the Head Marketing and Promotions Department of Rare Edge Media. And with me is
Elizabeth Adedimeji, Marketing Manager, Rare Edge Media.
We are here with an excellent proposal to transform all dilapidated tourist attraction resources into a world-class state that will increase patronage and also improve the economy of the state by 10.2% in the next 12 months.
And how do you intend to achieve this, your excellent proposal?
Thank you very much, sir. First, we will put all these resources into good state. Then we proceed into implementing our strategies on massive publicity and promotions.
And what is this, your massive publicity and promotions?
Thank you very much. We will begin with massive promotions across the nation. Then we go on to extend it to other countries, specific countries actually, like Ghana, South Africa, Zimbabwe, USA, United Kingdom, and France.
Mr. Raymond, it's a good try. You have really done well. I must commend you.
Thank you, sir.
You have really tried.
Thank you.
Mr. Kolide. Sorry for taking your time. I am sorry. Yeah, you see, the ministry is tired of putting old wines in new bottles. Benny, a lot of companies like this will come to us. We see a lot of things come with your strategy, your promotion, your publicity. We will not see anything. Yes, they will only make mouth. So we are sorry, we are sorry. Next time we'll do things together.
Sorry, we are not interested in your proposal.
Sorry.
If only you truly decode our name, then you'll definitely be interested.
Pardon? What did you say?
I said, if only you truly decode our name, you'll definitely be interested.
And could you please decode this your name to us?
We are named Rare Edge because our edge over others is truly rare. Only with us can you find all you're seeking to achieve. And if you give us 1 minute, we will make you understand why success in this is 95% guaranteed. Rare Edge Media is the #1 media house in Africa, with the largest network of influencers in the entertainment industry. As we all know, the entertainment industry is a pivot for the most effective marketing and promotion. Currently, Rare Edge Media manages no less than 200 reputable actors, musicians, and comedians in Africa. Yes, and no company has ever done that, and I believe no company would ever get there anytime soon. Aside from that, we have more than 20 shows running across digital, terrestrial, and cable platforms. These shows include Awon, Aladun, AAJIIREBI, Family First, Soroniye, BOROKINI.
Thank you. I must commend you again. Thank you. Truly, your edge is rare. This your proposal is really, really excellent. From you. You really did well. I'm really excited. God bless you. We'll meet again in 2 days' time. But in the meantime, we have to try and convince the Honorable Commissioner, which I hope the outcome will be fruitful. Yes, it will be fruitful. I'm really happy and excited.
And when we will be meeting here in the next 2 days, ensure you address like this. Ibile.
Yes, sometimes I wonder where I'm heading to, yes. Thought they were harmless, they came like saints. Ojulari ore odenu, when trust was all gone. No one to rely on, yes. You came in like an angel from the blissful throne, took away my doubts and fear. Our love is endless, it's bright, it's near, it is cool. Through the darkness and lonely nights, I see you by my side. Out of a million, beautiful, so charming.
Wow. It's really beautiful here. Like, this place is really cool. Let's go up there.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah. You know, it's always cool. Every season, every year.
Every season, every year? You mean, you visit here often?
Well, no, not really. Just once in a while. Just when I get tired of something. But this time, I came because I got tired of everything.
Tired of everything? Why were you tired of everything? I'm sorry. It's okay if you don't want to talk about it.
It was my birthday. So I decided to take the celebration to my fiance's house. When I got to his house, I got the biggest shock of my life. The man I have been with for 3 years was with another woman. A woman I've known since my childhood. My only friend.
Am I like your boyfriend?
Well, no. Not like you're any better. You're also arrogant.
Oh, come on. I wasn't arrogant. I was just being protective.
That's being overprotective. That aside, why do men lie and cheat? Why don't they just stick to what they have? What do you guys want from women?
Well, you see, that's a big question with complex answers. I'm sure that you know that in this part of the world, the culture and the practices encourage men to lead virtually in every area. And by virtue of this, men like to think that our freedom is limitless. Like the freedom
To break our heart. Why do you guys think you have the freedom to break our heart?
You see, 70% of men may break hearts, but the rest of the 100% do not break hearts. I'm one of the 30% who do not break hearts.
Wait, how do you know so much? You speak so confidently. Are you sure you're not married?
Why did you ask? Do I look like a married man?
It doesn't show in the face, just like cheating.
You know what? Let's talk about something else.
Okay, you know what? Let me take you to the real tourist attraction.
Really?
Yes.
And where's that?
The ancient Ikogosi Warm Springs, where the warm and cold water meet.
Oh, really? After you.
Okay. This place is really beautiful, by the way.
Yeah, it is.
You get so excited when you see warm and cold water. It's really, really cool.
I'm sure people come here often.
Yeah, you do. I mean, it's a beautiful sight. So.
It is, really.
Yeah. So beautiful. Like, nature is perfect.
Yes.
Let's
You
go.
see everywhere.
Yeah.
Where is green?
So.
Wow. This place is incredible.
Yes, it is.
Wow. So, this is truly warm.
Yes, it is.
And this is cold.
Yes.
Wow. A wonder of nature. So, how is this possible?
You know what? Okay, let me tell you. A legend actually surrounds its origin.
A legend?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about it.
Okay, these springs are known to be the wives of a great hunter.
Really?
Yes. One day they had a fight and the husband rebuked them. So the temperamental one turned into the warm spring, whilst the quiet one turned into the cold spring. These springs have a unique curative power. Yes.
Really?
It is widely believed to have some therapeutic effects, which relieves body aches and all sorts of ailments.
All sorts of ailments. You mean like, which of them?
The two.
The two of them?
Yes.
So, like, HIV?
I don't know.
You said all sorts of ailments.
I don't know. I'm telling you what I was told by the tour guide.
Oh.
Look, you're making my job difficult.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Well, yeah,
but this is
it.
really wonderful.
I know.
I really had a good time with you.
Well, I know you did. I mean, I'm a very good tour guide. You need to start paying me.
Yeah, I should pay you.
Yes, you should.
But I'll pay you with it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Whatever, you're welcome.
So this is where we say goodnight.
Yep.
Good night.
Yeah, good night.
You are welcome again, my people. You are welcome again. And I am glad to inform you that we are fully ready to take on the project. Yes, immediately. Immediately.
Thank you very much, sir.
We want to encourage you to deliver your services to an excellent state.
Exactly.
Yes. Excellent
Very,
state.
very important.
Yes.
Yes, sir. In that document, you will find all the necessary information you need about the project and the ministry.
Okay, sir.
So by Monday, we need you to be in the office to pick up the check for the first phase of the project.
Fast, they want to ready.
Exactly.
They want to ready. Let me congratulate you again.
Thank you.
It's a Raymond.
Yes,
Thank you. Sincerely, sir.
Elizabeth.
Please deliver your services to an excellent stage.
Very, very important.
Promise not to disappoint you.
Now you are promising.
You know, you said the other day that your edge is what? Rare. Make it rare this time around.
Make it rare.
Make it rare.
And Cecilia is rare.
What are you dreaming about? You may remain silent if that's what you want. You're trembling. Are you scared? You see, Liz, life is ironic. It takes sadness to appreciate happiness. It takes noise to appreciate silence. It takes absence to appreciate presence. I am not the picture of a perfect person, but I know that true friendship is not about perfection, but sacrifice. If happiness is what you wish, if fulfillment of your dreams is what you desire, if true friendship is what you seek, I can't promise you happiness, but I can promise you that I'll stand by you to fulfill your dreams. True friendship, I promise.
I said I love you too. How many times do you want me to repeat that? No. You can't keep asking me to repeat our wedding vows each time you're angry with me. And remember, we made these vows when we knew nothing. Okay, fine. I'll repeat it. Abiola Aladun. You're my heartbeat and my soulmate. Only in you lies my desire. Only in you will my love live.
I'll never love another. I'll never cheat on you. I love you. It's not what you think. Please try.
No. No need. I understand.
No, you don't understand.
What I don't understand is how I could have been so foolish to trust you. You knew too much about marriage, yet I wasn't convinced you were married. To me, I found a handsome and cool guy. But to you, you found a dumb and foolish girl that you can take advantage of for some days.
No!
Don't touch me! I thought you were different. Now I know that guys are all just the same shit.
Liz! Oh God, what have I done?
Right now, guilt burns in my heart, and there are no words that can express the depth of my feeling that is plagued by regret and sadness for my wrong. I know my apology can't undo what has been done to you or take away the pain in your heart. But still, I am sorry. I am truly sorry. Even though I totally deserve all the anger and resentment from you for what I have done, I want you to know, it also pains me to see that you suffer for this fate. And I don't want this relationship to end. I really don't. Wherever you are, I want you to know, in your heart, that I deeply still love and care a whole lot about you. Yes, Liz.
Please.
Don't come close to me.
Please listen to me. I beg you. Please. It's true that I am married, but the marriage is in shambles. I love her, but she doesn't love me. You only heard what you heard because she forced me to say it the same way I said it 2 years ago. But now, I love you. And I'm ready to take this journey with you. I didn't mean to hurt you. I was only afraid of losing you. I was afraid that telling you might create a distance between us. I want you as close as possible because I love you.
Is that another lie?
I only lied to you about my marital status. Every other thing that I have told you is nothing but the truth.
I believe you. But this cannot work out between us. You are married.
I know. But I also know that I love you so much.
I love you very much. But we're trapped. And there's no way out.
Where there's a will, there's a way. I'm sure we'll find a way out soon. But before then, please don't leave me. Please. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank
you.
You
look beautiful this morning.
Thank you.
I'm sorry about what happened yesterday.
Oh, it's fine. It's nothing.
Liz, I just realized what true love really is. I love you. And I want you to stay with me to fight this fight.
I'm scared. I'm really scared.
Don't be. I promise you, everything will be fine. I promise.
my rest, okay?
Mommy! Mommy!
What is it? What is going on?
Mommy, it's Raymond. I asked him to take me on a journey of fantasy just for a few hours, and he says he's tired.
Ingo, yeah, what? Is he mad? Raymond will open his mouth and tell you that he's tired because of simple journey. Did you say you are tired?
Utma, you're not even supposed to be here in the first place.
Are you crazy? Are you supposed to tell me where I'm supposed to be in this house or anywhere? Is it your father's house? I built this with my money, so you don't tell me where I'm supposed to be. Your answer to that, she said you said you're tired. Answer me. Are you tired?
I am tired. I've been working all day.
You're tired? So yes. For you, you're tired. Is she supposed to be begging you? You have no shame. Is she supposed to be begging you? Look at what is before you. Look at what is before you. Are you blind? This is what some men are craving for. They are out there waiting. Look at this beautiful woman before you. And you are here saying that you're tired. You're tired for this. Are you not supposed to even be disturbing her from time to time? Are you not supposed to be the one pushing her? Did you not see? Are you blind?
Ma, I am tired.
Raymond, has it gone so bad now that we have to force you to do your matrimonial responsibilities? So, but hey, you know that it's I'm not going to grab you and push you inside where you are supposed to be, Tori Olong. My darling, how do you want it? She said she wants dog. Did you say doggy?
Yes, mommy, doggy style.
Doggy style. Even your dad and I don't do doggy style. We do this missionary style now.
Mommy, I don't want sule.
This one that is already tired. Better let him do sule.
No, I don't want sule. Sule is okay.
You want doggy?
Yes.
You sure is? You want to explore? Well, she says she wants to explore not sule, the doggy. She wants doggy style. So I want you to jump on it now before I naked you myself. Because yes, you think I'm just paying that amount of money for nothing?
I said I am tired.
What is this?
How can she do that?
How can she not?
How can you allow your daughter force him to have sex with her?
Doggy style like that.
Doggy style? In your own house?
And who says it's his house?
It's his, because it has been allocated to him by the company.
Who's the company, my dear? Am I not the company?
It is still very wrong, even at that.
Excuse me, who the hell are you? You walked into my house to tell me what is wrong or what is right? Who are you to correct me?
See, let me tell you the truth. The fact that he's your employee does not give you any liberty to treat him like he's your slave. After all, he's the reason behind your company's success.
Hey, Adupe, excuse me. Have I ever treated you like a slave? Yes, he's hardworking. And that is the reason why I gave my daughter to him to marry in the first place. I looked at him and I know that he can work. So that I'm blessing him when he's working for me. How is that bad? How is that? How have I done wrong in that? Excuse me, madam, you need to go right now. End of discussion.
No, I think you should go back to your own house and leave these children alone.
Children? You said it all. Children. Do you want me to leave these children alone? And see who is talking. Are you not a child? A child who is referring to other children. Who are you? You want me to leave these children alone? These ones that will go astray? I am here to straighten their head. I am here to teach them right. If you don't get up and leave now, you are going to see my red eyes. You miserable thing. Get up!
Guys, I have heard it up here. Do you know what I want?
What do you want?
I want a divorce.
But Raymond, why a divorce?
Why not?
I don't think this should be the next thing on your table.
Why can't it be? He's fed up, obviously. This man is frustrated. If he wants a divorce, let him go ahead and have it.
See, Joseph, you have a happy home. Why encourage him to do this?
We're not talking about my home. We're talking about his home.
But this is not right.
Why is it not right? He doesn't have a happy home.
Raymond.
Listen, these days, people get divorced anyhow they like.
See, Raymond, if come this far, divorce should be the last thing on your table, right?
Why? Why should it be the last thing on his table?
You can't encourage him to do this. This is not right.
What do you really want?
He doesn't want divorce, obviously.
I want a divorce.
Divorce? So you eventually want to drag the name of this family down into the mud, isn't it? Well, it is not possible. Not in my lifetime. You can't do it. I will not let you do it. It is, in fact, it is impossible.
It is possible, and it's going to happen. Whatever mess you find yourself in, you caused it, and you deserve it. So clean it up.
If you think you can threaten me with a divorce, then you lie. Remember, my father owns this house. I cannot leave this house for you.
And who says that you're leaving this house? I am the one leaving this house. And not only this house, your company too. Because this house is hell.
You are just an ingrate. That is what you are. And if you think you can defend this family, you are lying. I would rather make you rot in jail.
Mama, you rot in jail.
And shut the door.
Mommy, did you hear what I said? My marriage status will now change from to complicated or divorce?
No, that is nothing like that. Hey, listen, girl, there is no problem about getting another man, okay? There are 1 million and over 1 million good guys out there, okay? You are going to get one soon. In fact, you are going to be selecting. See, I don't know what to see in this guy. I don't like him. From day one, I just don't like the guy. And the only thing that I see in him is his arms. Any other thing is just face straight. I don't like it. I don't like when a man does not look like a man. Okay? I don't like him in every way. I don't like that guy. I don't like him. Okay, so now that he said he wants a divorce, okay, fine. We'll get you another guy. Do you want Olamide Bado?
This is not my time.
It's not your type. Okay, I understand. Kiss Daniels and I know you like it.
Thank you, Mommy.
And he's dark, he's handsome, tall, mean, you know, everything is going for it. Or like this one, nothing. We are the one that made their family. Anyways, no problem. We'll buy kiss with money.
Okay, Mommy.
You know that's possible.
Okay, Mommy.
What? You divorced your wife? That's absurd. And you resigned from a 6-figure job. Ray, that's insane.
Yes, it's absurd. It's insane. But it's right. Look, 2 years in that marriage is like hell. And a few days with you in my life, I feel complete. I believe you and I will live a fulfilled life together. Please, don't let fear stop us from doing the right thing.
But it's not that simple.
I know. But I believe with determination, we'll scale through.
So this is all about him. Right? This is all about him. Come on. Stop being deluded and wake up into reality. What is wrong with you? This guy right there is a stranger. I am your friend. I know you too well. Liz, we have been together for as long as I can remember. We have been through thick and thin together. We have been through the dark times together side by side. And you're just, and somebody's just going to come from nowhere and destroy all of that? Liz? See, trust me, and I mean every statement when I say this. I need you. I want you because I love you.
No. You don't love me.
I do.
Love is not about knowing each other's weaknesses. Love is not about fighting side by side. Love is all about sacrifice. Now tell me, what have you sacrificed for me all this while? What? Today, you bring me laughter. Tomorrow, you bring me sadness. Sadness that would erase all the good memories I have ever had. 3 years. 3 years we've been towing this path without direction. 3 years! Yes, he's a stranger. But in the few days he's known me, he has sacrificed everything. He sacrificed everything he ever loved for me. And for that, I am not afraid to go on this journey with him.
What?
I don't love you. I repeat, I do not love you. I love him.
Ìfẹ́ tí mo ní sí ẹ kì í ṣe tẹ̀tàn rárá o. Má ṣe gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ gan-an, má ṣe gbọ́ ohun tí wọ́n wí. Ó ṣe mí bí òtútù, ó ṣe mí bí kìrìyà o.
Don't let me influence your choice. You really need to follow your heart now.
I've made my choice. I chose you. Please, don't let me regret my choice.
I promise you in my sane mind, from this day to the end of my days, that I'll strive to make you happy always. And I'll fight for you and stand by you. And we'll live together forever.
Daddy!
Don't daddy me. Don't daddy me. Where's your husband? And where's your mommy?
She's inside.
Call her for me, now.
Mommy.
Honey. My darling, calm down now. Calm down. Please, just settle down.
Settle down for what? Settle down and do what? How can I settle down when our lives and that of our daughter is not settled?
Our life is settled. What do you mean by that?
What do I mean?
Yes.
I will tell you what I mean. Where's Raymond? You can't find him because you pushed him out. You pushed him out.
My darling, nobody pushed him out, okay? He pushed himself out. And he was the one that filed for divorce.
Filed for divorce after a series of torments in his own house.
How is this place his own house now? Are we not the owner of everything in this house?
Will you shut that mouth that looks exactly like your mother's? I hope you don't regret this.
What is wrong with her mouth? And why are you cursing me? And she won't regret it in Jesus' name. I forbid it in Jesus' name.
I am taking Raymond back.
How can you take such an ingrate back?
That is my decision. And my decision is final. You, go in there and pack your things and come back to my house.
And if I say no? Okay, let me go and get my things. Oh, I mean love for you.
Exactly what I thought. And what are you waiting for? Hello, Raymond. Yes, I am in your house at the moment. I want you to meet me here right away. Yes, right away.
I want you to know that true friendship is not about perfection. I am not a perfect person, I know. Please, help me become a perfect friend.
If I was born alone and will die alone, why don't you just let me live my life alone? You can't lose what you never had. You never had a friend. You were an illusion.
It's my illusion. My mistake. Please, forgive me. I thought it was love. I didn't know it was an illusion that controlled my heart.
Just go.
Before I go, know this. Even if love is unstoppable, even if love is destiny, for me, your friendship is more than love.
I want you to know that even in the strongest friendship, quarrel and disagreement happens from time to time. And I also want you to know that quarrel and betrayal is a regular part of our lives. And you see, it is even useful in refreshing our passion. Yes, and you see, in life, friendship is always being tested. And there's no rule to friendship at all. It is only based on two things: unlimited love and unlimited forgiveness. Please forgive and try to forget. Please. Please.
So, I heard you're already engaged to another woman.
Yes, sir.
And she loves you as much as you love her?
Absolutely, sir.
Absolutely. Absolutely. It's okay. I'm happy with that if you are. You are like a son to me. I cannot force my daughter on you if you're not happy being with her. So, Raymond, I want to, on behalf of my family, apologize sincerely for all the wrongs that has been done to you. You see, my wife and my daughter are birds of a feather, and you know that. Business and family are two separate things, and they should be treated separately. Now, having said all that, I want you to get back to the office and pick up your responsibilities, because I want to take a break, and henceforth, you'll become the managing director of the company in my absence.
Really?
Really?
What did he say? Now you may need to respect me, because I am now the managing director of Rare Edge Media.
Congratulations!
Thank you. So go get dressed and let's go celebrate.
No. You don't know what's real celebration is.
Really?
Lati do lati, mi re do da, mi re di da di ba di da ba da 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 da. Every day, every night, I think of you, I dream of you. You're the only one who cares, who understands, who sees me through. I'll hold you close and hold you tight and never let you fall. Ibadi aron. Ibadi aron, Ibadi aron, Ibadi aron, Ibadi aron, Ibadi aron, Ibadi aron, Ibadi aron. Ibadi aron, ONITEMI atata, ẹ̀yin fún jọ̀wọ́, ọlọ́rọ̀ mi atata. Káàbọ̀, ṣe dáadáa ló dé. Káàbọ̀, ṣe dáadáa ló dé. Káàbọ̀, ṣe dáadáa ló